The dinosaur ants are very big in length of other ants. They are 2 centimeters long, and they very vulnerable to kill their prey by stinging in a mob because they are very big and live in groups. They very vicious. Because they are gathered as a colony and the queen lays 60 eggs a day. There is no queens in this, but we will show in another video when it will be found. Sometimes the queen hides in the soil for protection, but it's already have guards around her, and it never gets harmed. But the dinosaur ant isn't very impressive, but sting is very poisonous to other ants, but not for us. But if we get stings by these ants we will get very pain.